What you're looking at is this image from Eric Kelly. This is, he's our storm spotter on this storm. We're going to try to get here so I can explain to you. This is our weather graphics. Again, the timing on this tornado warning. It does include the entire north side of Colorado Springs. It includes Briargate neighborhoods, Flying Horse, Cordera, Banning Lewis Ranch. If you are hearing your neighborhood right now, you need to get to the most interior room of your home. I believe that we are taking this stream live on Facebook right now, so you can step away from your TV, get to that bathroom, to the basement we were just talking about, and continue to watch this. We are seeing strong rotation with this. This tornado warning continues until what, 4:30?
4:45.
4:45, Christina. So that is going to not include Falcon, but is going to, if it gets extended, include the Falcon neighborhood. So this is where you need to go to your safe space. We also are looking at the threat for hail. You can see these deep purples, and we've shown a history of rotation with this storm. And I'm wondering if we can still get Eric Kelly's image up here behind me, guys. We're working on it right now. Awesome. So again, we are looking at a tornado warning. If you're just tuning in with us, this is going to impact the north side of Colorado Springs as this storm slides off to the south and the southeast. It should stay north of, say, Constitution Avenue right now. And here's our storm chaser, Eric Kelly, live on this. This is his image. What we're seeing a lot of here is what we call scud, which is that rising cloud cover. You can see the lightning and the hail in the background. He is looking to the west. He is located near Black Forest, and this is where we're watching for that tornado warning. What you're seeing right now is what he is seeing from his car. He's experienced at chasing, and he knows what to look for. He's communicating with Christina and I and telling us that he is seeing rotation this afternoon on this storm, but not yet a funnel. Again, a funnel is what extends from the base of that cloud towards the ground, but doesn't touch the ground yet. We've seen pictures of funnels from viewers like you. Again, if it's safe to do so, to send us a picture, please do. But we haven't had confirmed reports of a tornado, meaning that funnel touching the ground. What I'm seeing here is a little bit of scud. The closer you are to I-25, the more we're looking at that severe thunderstorm warning in terms of hail and gusty winds. The farther out east you are, and say anywhere once you're east of Powers, along and east of Powers. So Banning Lewis Ranch, Cordera, Flying Horse, that's where we're watching for that tornado. Yeah, so we were watching that storm as it moved out of Castle Rock. We got some amazing viewer video, and what happened was this storm split, and so we were watching the southernmost end of this storm as it moved towards Monument, Palmer Lake, and now this is what we're tracking as the tornado warning. Again, this is a look from our 11 breaking weather chaser Eric Kelly as he moves south on Mark Scheffel past the Banning Lewis Ranch neighborhood. What you're seeing here is the southernmost portion of this storm, which is not what contains that rotation. From my vantage point right now, this is looking like rising clouds into the storm, but because it's a little bit hard to see because this front portion of the cloud, but it looks to me like that funnel is at least connected to the base of that large hail core now impacting areas just north of Powers, south of Shoup Road. So again, if you're familiar with that neighborhood, we do have that large hail core, all of those purples that you see. Cordera neighborhood also looking at that threat here for at least PM penny size hail, which isn't the kind that is going to cause damage, but you are of course in that tornado warning. So what I'm going to do here is switch on velocity, which is again the tool that we use to see some of that rotation. And what I'm seeing right now is a lot of greens, which means we don't have a lot of green and red close to each other, which shows that rotation. Of course, red is moving away from the radar here and green is moving towards. So you kind of get that idea of rotation when these two are really nice and tight close to each other. We don't have that in this particular image.
That's good, right?
That is good. That means that this storm is weakening.